In the following video, you will learn how to use the eBooks tab of your Course LibGuide for Human Services 212 to find resources for your major writing assignment. This is where you can find all the different ebook collections or electronic book collections that our library subscribes to. To highlight a few of them for you, eBook Central and EBSCO eBook Collection are the two largest collections that the library has available to you. There are almost 400,000 books between these two collections. Both collections provide you with full-text books, meaning you have access to the book from cover to cover. While smaller in size, University Press Scholarship Online also provides you with full-text books. You may find it beneficial to use as it contains over 300 psychology-related books. Also on this tab, you'll find the Credo Reference eBook Collection and Gale eBooks. You'll also see embedded search boxes for each of these. These are great collections for getting background or introductory information about your chosen disability. With these two ebook collections, you're getting individual entries out of scholarly reference books. So think along the lines of something like an encyclopedia. You're not looking at the entire book, you're only looking at the entry about your topic out of that book. This is probably where you'll want to start if you're using eBooks. Let's go over here and use the embedded search box for Credo Reference. I'm going to do a search for blindness. If you were off campus, you would be prompted for your MyHGTC login. The way this library resource is set up, all the individual entries are over here on the left-hand side. And one of the nice things is they provide you with a word count, so you have an idea of how long the entry is going to actually be. This is the entry on blindness from the Gale Encyclopedia of Senior Health. It's about 1,000 words long. As you can see, I'm getting a variety of different results, and they cover a variety of different lengths as well. When you find one that's interesting to you, click on it, and it will take you directly into that entry out of a specific ebook. As you're looking through, if you feel that this information is going to be of help to you, what you will want to do is come up to the top and look for the Share button. It's from here that you can email this entry to yourself. This is helpful because then you don't have to go back and find it again in the future. You can simply log in to your own email and access it that way. You'll notice that Credo provides you with a citation along with the entry itself when it's emailed to you. If you're interested in seeing what that citation would look like, there is a link you can click on that says Citation. Bear in mind, these are computer generated, so you do still need to double check them for accuracy against a properly cited source. Going back up to eBook Central and EBSCO eBook Collection, again, these provide you with complete books on your topic. Let's go in and look at EBSCO right now. One of the nice things that library resources do is some of them provide you with predictive searching. So as you start to type in your suggested search, it provides you with things that it thinks you may be looking for. If you see your search topic on the list, you can click on it. It's not a bad idea to look over the list and see what some of the suggestions are, because you may see some that you didn't think of that are also good searches. This one here in the list gives us some ideas of some other terms that we could use when we're searching. Not only could we search for blindness, but maybe visual impairment or vision loss would also be a good search. When you place the word "or" between your search terms, what that does is it tells the library resource to find anything available that has either of your search terms. So that opens a large variety of results that could come back. The other thing that you can do is add the word "and." It doesn't have to be capitalized, but I'm capitalizing it here for clarity. When you do this, every result that comes back must include whatever is before the and whatever is after the and. So if I did blindness and employment, everything that comes back is going to have that first word as well as that second word. If you find that what you located on the list didn't work for you, delete one of your search terms or try a different one. When you find an item that's of interest to you, click on it. On the left-hand side of the page will be a PDF link that you can click on to access the complete book, and that's what we're going to click on right now. You'll notice that the book will load up on the right-hand side of the page in PDF format. The table of contents is here on the left-hand side. One of the nice features with eBooks is that you can usually find a search within feature where you can type in any word or phrase that you want and locate where that word appears in the book with hyperlinked pages. You do have the ability to email this to yourself and include a citation. There's also a Cite button to click on to see what the citation should look like. But again, do double check any citations that are given to you for accuracy. Don't forget the library is here to help you, so if you need any assistance, please use the Get Help tab to locate all the various methods for contacting the library to receive assistance. Thanks for watching.